All right, classmates. This is noredink.com. It's a grammar exercise website, which makes it sound way more lame than that. Anyway, you set up a class. It's free for, I'm going to say, about 40% of the content. I am told it's expensive, and I know that our school considered it, but I don't think we're going forward with it because it's expensive. Anyway, you can use a significant chunk of it in its free version. So let me just click around. So I've got kind of a class set up already. I'm going to assign work, and that allows you to do different kinds of assessments. You can do a planning diagnostic to see where your students are at in this particular thing. And then once you get into it, you can do practice and quiz, and then end with a unit diagnostic to make sure they caught on to it. When I used this last semester, I only took their quiz grades, their practice grade. I would assign them practice, obviously, but then didn't record their practice in the grade book because it has them continue the practice until they get it right. So the quiz is more of an assignment. So let's just click on some practice. We'll make this 10 points. We're going to select content. Pops up with all these possibilities. The ones with a lock next to them are only available in premium, but you can see in this part 1, it's 3 out of 6. So it's a significant chunk of these grammar exercises. And even if you don't use No Red Ink exclusively, you can use No Red Ink and supplement something else to pick up the to pick up the lessons that you can't get through premium. So it's really kind of a great guide. There's also grades up here, so you can select 10 through 12, and that'll change, um, you know, the emphases and difficulty. So I'm going to call this active voice verbs 1, and we're going to make it due right away, or start right away. It's going to be due, I don't know, next week sometime, and create practice. So now I've got this assignment. If I want to view it, preview it, I can click on preview, and then I can even though as a teacher, I can go through and participate. So um, so it'll even show you the answer in case you're unsure just by clicking there. It's pretty great. I think if you are an English teacher, this is definitely something you want to look into.